Everybody, welcome back to another video, and I'm standing here at the Canton Fair. We have been here for an incredible 5 days, and we are here with I think 4, maybe 5 of our clients, and we are finding product ideas. It's a crazy amount, and I say this to a lot of people. If you're looking to find product ideas, the best thing is actually to come to the Canton Fair. You'll see products here that you probably won't see on Amazon for years to come. Now, last time I was here, look how incredibly vast it is. That's one hall over there. That's hall B, right? There's 2 halls around there. There's 3 halls over there, right? And this is the biggest one, the biggest exhibition hall out of all of it. And this is just an incredible sight to see. So, if you are looking for product ideas, coming to this thing is, it's just nuts. It's just nuts. It's like 300 football fields of supplies. We had one client yesterday that discovered 50 new product ideas that they're going to launch on Amazon. We're going to launch them for them. And we actually have a team that when we find a good product idea, we can run the numbers, right? We can look at the product together. I'm helping with the negotiation. I'm coming over saying 50 units, let's discuss price, let's discuss action, let's discuss logistics, and then we can potentially launch that product for you, or at least get the team started on it while we are here in China. So if you are looking to join the Import-Export Fair, or you're coming over to the Canton Fair, drop us a line. I'd love to hear from you.